Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in this channel, we are trying to solve the SQL 50 LeetCode problems. You can find all the videos in the playlist SQL 50 LeetCode in my channel. So let's get started with this. And my first problem would be the recyclable and low flat products. So yeah, so it's an easy problem marked in the LeetCode, and we can see that is the first question, so it's pretty much straightforward. We can see that the question has given us a product table, and we have a product ID, which is the primary key, and then we have the low fats and recyclable columns. Both the columns are of type enum, and as we can see, the acceptable values are y and n. So it's like yes and no for that. And let's see what they're asking for us to do. Write a solution to find the IDs of products that are both low fat and recyclable, and result can be of any order. So that is the case, and here is an example as well. So we have like 5 columns, 5 rows, and then we have low fats and recyclable, and this is how the output should be. So let's get started with this question immediately, and then yeah, select. We need a product ID from here. Product ID from products table, and then let's introduce the condition. Condition is where the column low fat is equal to y, and we have another condition which is recyclable. So recyclable is y as well. So let's run this and see whether we are passing all the test cases or not. Yeah, so we passed all the test cases here, and let's try to submit and see whether all the hidden test cases are actually passed or not. So as we can see that all the test cases are passed, of 22 test cases are passed. So it's a pretty straightforward question, and simple way we can actually start learning the SQL. One thing is that right now here it's mentioned as y and n, and generally in the real world scenarios, we generally don't use the y and n. We use 0 or 1 because the cost of storing the 0 and 1 is actually very less, because it's only of 1 bit instead of y and n, because they're characters and they'll consume lots of space. So that is one thing I want to keep that in front. And yeah, so that's it for this video, and then look forward for the next videos coming into my channel.